Welcome to this FL Studio tutorial, where I'll guide you through the process of randomizing velocity to add a touch of human-like feel to your MIDI tracks. We all know that MIDI can sometimes sound too mechanical, lacking the nuanced variations that make live performances so captivating. But fear not, as FL Studio offers a solution to inject life into your digital creations. Step 1. Begin by selecting the pattern containing the MIDI data you wish to enhance. You can access the piano roll by either pressing the F7 key or clicking the piano roll button on the taskbar. Step 2. With your notes selected, open the randomizer by either using the Alt+R shortcut or clicking the wrench icon in the upper left corner and selecting Randomize. Step 3. Focus on randomizing velocity in FL Studio by ensuring the pattern button at the top of the randomizer dialog is unchecked. Direct your attention to the Levels section, where various options and knobs await your creative touch. While Pan adjusts panning and Pitch alters pitch, we're concentrating on the Vel knob for velocity adjustments. Turn it to the right or left to tailor the desired changes in your tones. Take note of the Seed option, which modifies the randomizer algorithm's seed state. If you wish to control whether the changes are unipolar or bipolar, the bipolar option is your tool. Choose between a unidirectional increase or decrease in notes, or a mix of both. Finally, hit the Accept button in the dialog box to save your customized settings. That concludes our tutorial. Feel free to experiment and explore the endless possibilities of FL Studio's features. Happy music making!